Hi, my name is Rachel Mullen, and this is my intro video for AEP 880. So a little bit about me, I'm a high school science teacher. I have been for 2 years now. Prior to that, I was a middle school science teacher for 6 years, teaching mostly 7th grade science, but some 6th and 8th grade. I taught middle school in the Bay Area in California and then made the move to Denver, Colorado 2 years ago to just make a change in life. So some things about me, I am a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm an aunt. On the left there, that's me and my newest niece. Her name is Nova. She's 8 months old now. I have another niece who is in 10th grade, and then a nephew who's 19. And they're all my brother's kids. They have very different ages. In the middle is a funny picture of me and my sister. She's not my twin. She's 2 years younger than me. She lives in San Francisco, and we just thought it was funny to look sad like that. And then on the right is my parents, who have been married for 31 years. So a little bit about my family and my traditions. I am the most European person outside of Europe, I think you could imagine. I did 23andMe. My heritage is 99.5% European, mostly British and Irish, but some German and Scandinavian. I got the opportunity to visit Ireland a couple of years ago, which was awesome. In that picture, I'm holding a pickle ornament. It's a German tradition, but my family has kept it up. So every Christmas, we have a pickle Christmas ornament that we do a white elephant ornament exchange, and it travels around. And whoever gets it will take it on whatever vacations they go on, take pictures of it, and add it to an album. And so we have a really cool family album. My family is very large. My aunt or my grandma and grandpa had 13 kids, and so these family Christmas parties are huge. They have 40 or more people, and this album is really cool with this pickle. I am a dog mom. I have two dogs. The one on the left, his name is Yoshi. He is as mutt as they come. He's only 10 months old. We're still working on manners with him. The one on the right is Scully. She's 2.5. She's a German Shepherd Husky, and she's an awesome dog. I am a girlfriend. This is my boyfriend. I have been with him for almost 6 years. We own a house together here in Colorado. This is just a nice assortment of us and our personalities. I'm a friend. On the left there, that is my best friend since high school. I was her link crew leader. She's a year younger than me, and we've been friends ever since. We used to live 2 houses down from each other. On the right is my new friends, my teacher friends. We met last year when I started teaching at my new school, and they've been a really good group of science teacher friends. I am an activist. I am really passionate about certain things. So on the left is me on the cover of the local newspaper when parents were objecting to the new sex ed requirements in California, comprehensive sex ed, and they basically got the school board to not let us teach sex ed for a year, and the ACLU got involved, and I was talking to reporters. I was just so fired up and so upset about it. On the right is me and some teacher friends at the March for Our Lives. We are very invested in keeping our kids safe and well educated. This one is funny. This is a tarot card that a student made for me 2 years ago. She made one for every teacher, and I thought this really represented how students see me. She made me the High Priestess, and she said I have intuition, knowledge, higher power, and mystery. I keep it pretty down to earth with my students, but I do see where she gets the mystery. I don't share too much with them at a time. But this kid was awesome, and I thought that was really great to share. I am an artist. I like to paint in my free time. That painting on the left just went to my 10th grade niece for a Christmas present. The one on the right is my Bob Ross style painting. It hangs in my office. I am a scientist and a science bowl coach and a science Olympiad coach. Big fan of Bill Nye. I love teaching science and I love doing coaching outside of science. So right now I coach the high school science bowl at my school. In the past I've taught or coached middle school science bowl and middle school science olympiad. I'm a teacher. This picture I really love. This is from last year at the teacher dance. So in our spring pep assembly, all the teachers prepare this crazy dance. It's like 10 minutes long. It's a medley. We practice for weeks. So last year we did an 80s medley. We did the Thriller dance and some other, we did Footloose. And so this is just the group of people that I work with. We love to have fun and show that our students that we have fun, and our school is a really fun place to be. And finally, I'm a traveler. I love to travel. My lifetime goal is to go to all the national parks, which is hard because they keep adding more. I also love to travel with students. I have had the opportunity to bring students to Japan and Yosemite, and this upcoming summer I'll be taking kids to Costa Rica and Panama. This picture on the left is me in Japan with my boyfriend and two friends, and some of my Japanese friends that live there in Tokyo. And then on the right is me in Thailand with an elephant. I've just loved to be able to travel and see the world. So that is a little bit about me. Thanks.